Good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since we've uploaded a video tutorial, and for today's video I would like to make a tutorial about Flask. Now, what is Flask? Flask is a web framework, and now everyone knows that this means Flask provides you with tools, libraries and technologies that allows you to build web applications. Flask is also part of the categories of the micro-frameworks. Micro-frameworks with little to no dependencies to external libraries. Now let's proceed to installation. First, we're gonna make a new folder, name it Flask tutorial, then open our Visual Studio Code, open folder, then find the folder that you have made for this project. Now as you can see, our folder is empty. Now first thing to do is we go to the terminal and click a new terminal. First thing to do, we need to make sure that we have installed the virtual environment. So to install the virtual environment, just do the pip install virtual env. As you can see, I already have a virtual environment installed in my Python. So we must proceed to create a virtual environment. To create a virtual environment, you have to do this. Virtual env. Now, I'm just gonna name my virtual environment to venv. Now, as you can see in our folder, there's a new folder that is made for our virtual environment. Now, what is the virtual environment anyway? Now, the use of virtual environment is to manage the dependencies for your project, both in development and in production. Now, what does virtual environment solve? The more Python projects you have, the more likely it is you need to work with different version of Python libraries. So that is the use of virtual environment in our Flask app. Now, all you need to do is activate the virtual environment. venv scripts activate. As you can see now, our virtual environment is already activated. And now, we have to install here our Flask. As for me, I have already installed the Python Flask in my Python. So if you do not have a Python Flask in your Python installed, just do this. And enter, then you will get the installing progress of the Python Flask.